it's Greg Luther, and listen, I've got some information I want to share with you. If you're interested in luxury real estate, this is something you're really going to be impressed by. We just put together some case studies of examples of exactly what agents are doing to break into the luxury real estate market. As a matter of fact, you'll probably see a description somewhere in the video here for luxuryagentblueprint.com. I created a video to show you here's exactly how they're breaking into that luxury market and getting those results that they're looking for, even if they've never sold luxury houses before. So you already know as a real estate agent that there's a lot of money to be made as you raise your average sales price. You don't have to get into the multi-million-dollar deals. Just raising your average sales price can make a tremendous difference for you. So I've spent a lot of time in putting this presentation together to give you actual examples so you can do it yourself, even if you don't have much experience in that luxury market. Check it out right now, luxuryagentblueprint.com. Again, you should see a little link here as well. Just put in your email address and it'll let you get the video immediately. Be ready to take notes and be ready to take some pictures of the examples that I'm giving you. Let's get you some luxury deals. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.